This is part 1 of my video, and I show you how hard this place to go. As you can see, I show you the road. Yan ako may ano. Yeah. Oh.
Ba't marunong pa?
Okay. It's very far place. And I bring it here. Oh. Yeah. Here with my son. This is the I also buy some rugs and broom and electrical. So you can see this place. Saan ba tayo? Dito na nga. Oo, kaya nga. Here. Aba. Okay. I think I take to walk. Here. Ay, naku. Ayoko. Ha? Basta ako dyan. Okay. I need to walk here. Here. Okay. So hardy. Yeah. As you can see. It's hard. And later I get a whole video. Okay, I need to walk. Okay, that's all I get. See you later. Now we here. I distribute the rugs and broom. Yeah. Or broom.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much po. Okay. I'm not what is that? I'm not used all the money in this room, so I decided to share other amount for those teachers. Yeah. Here. And the other. Okay. And this is special for this teacher. Yeah. This is special. Okay. Okay, thank you so much with this. They say thank you. Okay.